An invisible drawing, a single axis that defines where you enter, where you move, and where the house opens. This is the House 12.20, designed by Alex Nogueira in Brazil. And here, the house wasn't conceived as an object, it was conceived as a path. It doesn't try to occupy the land, it occupies as little as possible and uses the rest as part of the experience. The garden is not surroundings, it is part of the house. The front facade is protected. Horizontal metal brises control the sun and block the view. The house doesn't reveal itself. It responds to climate and context. As you move through this volume, the house changes completely. The opposite facade is open. A single glass plane spans almost the entire width and connects the interior directly to the garden. When it opens, it becomes a single space. And this is where the axis truly reveals itself. You enter from one side, move through, and end in the garden. The house guides you. There are no defined rooms. Living, kitchen, workspace, and bedroom happen in the same space, organized in sequence, without walls. It's not about integration, it's about eliminating division. The house is small, but it doesn't feel small. Metal structure and concrete work together. The steel creates lightness. The concrete provides stability and allows the house to be lifted off the ground. This improves ventilation and reduces heat from the surroundings. The materiality doesn't try to hide anything. Exposed block, raw concrete, visible structure. The house shows how it was built, with no finishes disguising it. And even so, the interior is controlled. Few elements, few pieces of furniture. Everything in the right place. There is a constant tension between the raw and the light, between closed and open, between control and freedom. In the end, everything comes back to the same point. This house is not about form, it's about direction. It defines where to protect and where to open. It defines how you move through it and where you end.